Alright guys, I welcome you to this video. In this video I'll be showing you how to register on single login. Okay, the first thing is that go on your Google interface, search for single login.re. We have single login for different countries, but for the sake of this tutorial we are going to make use of single login.re. Click on enter. Okay, now it will ask you to enter your email address and password, but since we don't have an account on this ZLIBRARY, we need to click on create account. Now click on create. Okay, when you click on create, it will ask for your email address. Let me enter my email address. It will ask for your password. Let me give my password. Okay, now to ask for your nickname, enter your nickname. Okay, just click on create. After you might have created your account, it will ask you to check to confirm your email because they have sent an OTP to your email. Just log into your Gmail account and confirm the OTP sent to your account. Okay, I have the OTP on my account as okay. The next thing is for you click on confirm and create account. Account created. In the moment you will be directed to our available domains. Now, after you might have created your account, now you'll be directed to ZLIBRARY, in which you have access to download 10 books in a day. Can you see now? I'm now on ZLIBRARY. You can download any books. Either you search either you search by keywords or the main title of the book. If you find this video helpful, like this video, share this video to your friends. I'm seeing you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.